Hey guys, Rohan here, and today I want to talk about a very special funnel actually. I mean, it's not a huge funnel that's going to make you a lot of money, but it's a funnel that you can definitely use in your business, especially if your business deals with arranging events or meetings in like hotels or even coffee shops or even like hosting webinars or something like that. So this is a funnel that you can use as a standalone funnel along with your business, or you can attach it to your website as well by integrating it as part of your website. The choice is up to you, but I'll show you how it works, and then you can have a better idea of maybe how you would use such a funnel. So it's called a hotel meeting funnel, okay, or like a event meeting funnel, workshop registration, whatever. So there, it's a two-page. As you can see, there's a registration page and a confirmation page. Okay, so let's take a look at the registration page right now. Okay, so you have, you can put your company's logo here. You can either play a video or have a picture. Okay, I think a video will be much better. You can put your headlines here and stuff like that, and you have a call to action button over here, register my seat. Now, say for example, it's a life coaching session or something. So you have your two presenters over here with their attached profiles if you want, and you can talk about what exactly the people will get from attending such a event. Okay, and you have your second call to action over here. It's a very simple professional looking page that you can use in your business. Okay, and once you click register my seat, basically you have a pop-up page. Okay, again, it's customizable. Obviously, your customer, your clients enter their details over here and they register your spot. Now once they register the spot, they'll be taken to the thank you page, which is the confirmation page, which is over here. Okay, and very simple. Thanks for registering, whether it's a webinar or an event, your headlines, the date, time, and another picture and your company information here and there. So it's very simple, very easy to use. You just plug and play, make the changes as per your company logo or whatever. And the best part is in Clickfunnels also, if you have actionetics, okay, then you can integrate SMS features or email features, and stuff like that. So as soon as you have potential clients registering for their website, they get the immediate email confirmation or an SMS with like a location map or something like that. That will help them come to the event. Basically, you can use this to handle this process in a very professional way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to download this funnel at the bottom of my video over here, and if you have any questions, just get in touch with me. All right, cheers guys, see you.